record it. We'll give it a whirl in case you need to. Okay. So I'm sorry I don't have a +2 that I can. So let's say we want to add, Lou, give me a 2-digit number. A number that has a number.
20.
20?
Yeah.
All right. Oh. Hey, Asher, can you stop screen sharing?
Okay, just a second. Stop share.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right. So Lewis says 20, and let's add plus 94. Okay, 20 plus 94. So what do we need to do, Marshall?
Well,
What'd you say?
what you called me?
Yeah, what do we need to do? How do we make this happen?
No,
How do we add 20 plus 94? Do we know the number?
You start with 4 units.
4 units, okay. We're gonna make 94 over here. So we got 4 units. We don't need any units for 20, right? Okay.
And then you get 9 tens.
9 tens. Oh, dang. Okay.
4 10. 9 10s.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
2 10s.
8,
5.
9. All right.
And then you get 2 tens.
2 tens.
19.
And now we're gonna join it together. I'm gonna kind of bring it down here. So our 4 units, we always start with units. We can have 4 in the units place. Nothing happens there. We don't need to regroup or anything. We got 4 units, okay? But what about our tens? We know we have 9, 90. What happens when we put one of these tens down here and joins it? We have how many? Eliana?
100.
100. So these 10 tens, that magic number, once we get to 10, we have 10 tens, we're gonna have to regroup. So I wish they had, I'll just put them back over here. So these 10 tens are going to become 100. And we still have 110. So there's our answer. We have 110 and 1 100. So 20 plus 94 is
114.
114. Ta-da! Okay, so if I give you some problems, show me with your, I'm gonna stop sharing so I can see your, and Asher, you can tell me using your voice. So if I give you some problems like that, awesome. You can either use the Montessori, the beads, you can use the stamp game, or if you're ready to do it on paper, that's cool. Show me with your thumb, like, yeah, Miss Brenda, I got this. I'm gonna be cool with that, or I think I'll be okay, or no, not at all. Marshall's like, yeah, maybe. Jace says, yeah, maybe. Lucian's kind of maybe. Asher, how are you?
Good.
Good. All right. Eliana, are you kind of, should we see one more before we go to our checkerboard? How's that? One more?
No.
Lewis. I'm going to say one more. It won't take too long. Okay, Lou?
Okay.
Okay. Thanks for being a sport. Okay. me clear this. All right, Chase, give me a 2-digit number.
Like a 2-digit number in the hundreds.
So 2 digits, we've got units and tens.
All right. Units and tens. 50
So 50 plus, let's say
plus 70.
50 plus 70, sounds good. Okay, so what do I need to do?
Add?
We're gonna add so we can get out our golden beads to help us, right?
Right.
So do I need to get out any units if I'm adding 50 and 70?
No, you won't.
So I just need to get out my tens, right?
Yeah.
So I have 5 tens. I'm gonna make 50 here. Here's 40 and 50. And then we're gonna add 70.
Bye.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70.
70.
There we go. So now we're gonna join these two together. What's our magic number that's gonna tell us we're gonna need to regroup?
7. The
10.
10. So remember, we can only have 1 digit each place. So in the tens place, we can only have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When we get to 10, we have to regroup. Okay? So I have 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's 10 tens. What am I going to regroup them for? Or exchange them for? Eliana?
100.
100. Yes. I'm going to put it up here. Just a minute. And get out 100. And we still have 2 tens. So now we have 2 tens, 100. So 50 plus 70 is 120. Kind of
120.
120. Ta-da! All right. Did that help? You saw that exchange one more time? Eliana said she's good. Okay. Well, I want to show you guys place value on the checkerboard so we can practice making some numbers, and that might help too. Let me go back. Here's the checkerboard. Now I think I need to move you guys up here. There we go. Okay, so this is our checkerboard, and we're not going to use the entire checkerboard today. But we see we have our places here. We have this first green square is our units. We have units. Then we have our tens, 100s, unit thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Ooh, who knows what comes next? This is unit what? Unit
1 million.
1 million. That's right, Asher Rummerman. 1 million, 10 million, 100 million.
1 million.
1 million. So if I put a bead in there, this bead represents 1, right? This is just 1. But if I put this 1 here, it represents what?
10.
10. It's now 10. The value changes because it's in a different place. If I put the bead over here, it's what?
100.
100.
100.
Yeah, if I put the bead here,
100.
1,000.
1,000,
10,000.
10,000,
100,000.
100,000. 1,000,000.
1
1,000,000.
million,
1,000,000.
10
10 million.
and 100 million.
100 million.
And a billion.
And a billion. So let's practice making, yep, after 100 million, we create 1 billion.
Billion.
So let's make a number.
She got quiet.
So how many units do we have, Marshall?
Like what do you, we have 3 units.
We have 3 units, exactly. So we have 3 units. How many tens? You know what, let me get it right.
Seven.
Okay, we have 7.
What you got, a crab or a ladybug? I don't know what that is.
How many hundreds?
You were right with Snell, okay? I'm gonna write it down, okay?
The 4.
Oh, look at the hundreds, please.
0.
And then we have how many thousands?
0.
Thousands is the green.
Wait, we have 4.
We have 4. So that's how we make a number on the checkerboard. 4,000. All right, I'm gonna mute you. Okay, so I'm gonna write a number, and I'm gonna call on you guys, and you can tell me how I'm gonna make it. Okay? You need to have a clear button on this. Is it that? Nope, that's not it. All right. Okay, so our number we're gonna make . 7,309. Who would like, oh, Lewis, do you have your hand up? You wanna help me?
What? No.
Oh, it said you had your hand up. Was that from earlier? Lucian, will you help me make this number? 7,309? Okay. How many units do I need to put on here on my checkerboard?
About 10.
Where's our units? So we have our units place is right here. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands.
9.
We have 9 units. You remember which one of these beads is the 9? What color?
The red.
Actually, these blue ones here.
I thought you added on with the red one.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah, I think those are supposed to be brown too. Our 8 beads are brown. Okay. Now, how many 10s do I need?
0.
0. So I can just leave that. How many hundreds do I need?
300.
What color is that?
Pink.
Looks like our light pink ones here. Okay. And then how many thousands?
7.
Which is what color?
White.
Great. Here's our number. Now let's say I want to add 3 units. I want to add 3 units.
Oh. Let's see how. Oh, you're gonna add 1 to there onto the 0.
So how many units do I end up having? I put 3 units over here and in with the 9. How many units is that? I mean, yeah, how many total units is that?
12.
It's 12. Can I have, if each place, can I put 12 right here?
No.
No, what do I need to do?
You need to like take one over to another one.
Yeah, if we have 12, that means I have 1 10 and 2 units. So that
Yes.
1 10 needs to regroup and go over here to the, now that's 1 10.
So you would probably, yeah, so it would be 2 10s then.
So it'd be 2 units and 1 10, right?
Mm-hmm.
And now that's our answer. We have 2 units, 1 10, still 300s, and 7,000. So 7,309 plus 3 equals 7,312.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do another one. Asher, do you want to walk me through this next one? I haven't talked to you yet. Let me erase my. You there, Asher? Jace, I think your mom just texted me. Hold on. Okay. All right. Okay. So I want to make, let's say 5,488. So that's the number I want to make. Asher, will you help me make 5,488? You there, Asher?
I'm here.
You want to help me make this number?
Okay, I guess.
All right. How many units do we have, Asher?
8.
8. How many 10s?
8.
How many hundreds?
4.
How many thousands?
5.
There we go. Does everybody agree? 5,488 looks good to me. Now I want to add 10 more. If I want to add 10 more, that means I need 1 more. In what place? One more in what place, Asher, if I'm adding 10 more? Yeah. It would be 1 more in the 10s place. Which gives us what? Now we need to exchange this. 8 10s plus 1 10 is 9 10s. There you go. So the kind of problems I'm going to give you on the checkerboard is you're going to do 1 more, 10 more, 100 more, or 1 less, 10 less, 100 less. So it's practicing your places. So if I say, because now we have our new number, We have 5,498. If I say, okay, well, what's 100 more than 5,498? What do you think, Jace? What's 100 more than 5,498? How can we figure it out? What's one more?
Is regrouping. So
Well, we don't need to, we just need to take one. We're doing 100 more, so we take one out of our box and we put it in what place?
wait, what are you talking? Wait, you put the ones into the I don't know.
If I want 100 more than this number that we made, I'm gonna do it here in the hundreds place, 100 more. Do we see that? So how many hundreds do we have now? Jace, we have 1 plus what? What's in the box here?
Huh?
What's in this box? What's in the 100 box?
Oh, what's in the 4 and 1?
Uh-huh. What is that?
4 plus 1 equals 5.
Yep, so we can take these out and we can put a 5 in there instead. Okay, so there's our new number. Marshall, what if I want one more? Then our new number is 5,598. And I want to know what's one more than 5,598. What am I going to do?
So what was the number again?
So our number that we see here is 5,598. And we want to add one more. So we just take one and we put it in the units place. One more.
Because I was adding from the number to the next number, and
Yeah, I'm just showing you guys if you get a problem that says one more, 10 more, 100 more, all you gotta do, you make the number and then you put it whichever place it is. So if this is one more, we're gonna put it in the units place. Now, how many units do we have now?
10. I mean, wait, 9.
Yep, we got 9. I'm gonna,
Background sound.
yeah, he's at the Y. I think there's a lot going on there. All right, thanks, Marco. I'm gonna mute you. All right, oops, where did my 9 units go? Goodness gracious, this thing, this thing. Okay, so now we have a new number. Our new number is 5,599. Lewis, if I want to add 10 more, what do we need to do?
10 more what?
10 more to this number that we have now here. Our new number is 5,599, and I want to add 10 more to it.
Ten more.
10 more.
I don't know what you mean, 10 more what?
So to write it out so you can see it, we're adding 10.
So adding 10 more. 10 more.
So we take this 1 and we put it in the tens place. Ugh, if I can. So that will show us that we're adding 10 more because that little unit bead put in the tens place is 10, right?
Okay.
So now how many tens do we have?
We have 10. 1.
So we have 9 tens plus 1 10.
Oh, 9 tens. Oh, 100.
We have 100, right?
100.
So we're gonna actually have to exchange because we can't have 10 sitting in this box. So we have 100, so we're gonna put one more in the hundreds place, and this one we can put back. Now we need to, we have 5 100s and 1 100, which means we have 6 100.
100.
600, there we go. So now there's our new number. Our new number is 5,609. Can we see that?
Yeah.
Okay, now I want one more than 5,609. Eliana, help me. What's one more than 5,609? Are you there, Eliana?
We add a 1 to the ones place.
Yes, ma'am. Now how many ones do we have?
10.
10. What do we do?
Regroup.
Yep, that 10 ones is 1 10 and 0 units. And because we didn't have anything in the tens place, we're good to go now. So now our new number is what, Eliana?
5,610.
Beautiful. Perfecto. All right. Let's see. Lucian, I want to know what's 100 more than our new number that Eliana just said. She just said our new number is 5,610, and I want to know what's 100 more than that.
610.
5,610. What's 100 more than 5,610?
5,610. Oh, 700.
Yes, 700. Awesome. So he skipped a step and he went, oh, I know 6 plus 1 is 7. So we're just gonna put 7 there. Okay. Ta-da. All right, do you guys see how to do 1 more, 10 more, or 100 more? How do we feel about that? Marshall's kind of like this. And he's the only one letting me know. Here, I'm gonna stop sharing so I can see you all better.
You were just glitching for a moment.
Was I glitching? Sorry. Okay, so I know Marshall feels kind of like this about 1 more, 10 more, 100 more. How do other people feel about it? Lucian says I got it. Jay says I got it. Yeah, I think it's one of those things. I think once you're actually practicing it, and that's what's so frustrating about doing class like this, because on the Zoom, I was going to try to have you guys pull it up, but what I learned in the last group is like nobody could open up the virtual Montessori tools while they're on the Zoom. So I'm going to send you guys this link and a few problems, and I want you to practice them this afternoon, okay? So while it's still kind of fresh, and this lesson's recording, so if you need to rewatch it, you can do that, okay? And if you you're like, I don't know, you can reach out to me, okay?
Okay.
Okay. And I'll give you some static addition just to practice, just to have get your brains warmed up. Sound good? All right, Marshall's.
Okay. I tried.
All right. Okay, well, great job, guys. I think until we get our Montessori manipulatives there, we might kind of maybe do more some of like the My Math next week, because that print order is taking so much longer than we had any idea it would. So I'm sorry that you guys don't have physical things to touch there at home. All right, but we're making it work. I miss you guys. Big group hug. Virtual group hug. Yeah. All right. All right. All right. You guys have a great day. I'm going to end this meeting so I can stop the.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye bye.
Bye, Lucy.